You might feel protected, but visibility is limited, and attackers know it. Most OT tools rely on network data alone. Host behavior is left in the dark. Without visibility, critical movements go unnoticed until it's too late. You're drowning in alerts and missing what matters most. Living off the land attacks blend in. They look harmless until the host data reveals the truth. Host data alone isn't enough. Network data alone isn't either. But together, they tell the full story, exposing threats that stay hidden when you only see one side. Insane Cyber brings both together into one unified view, built for real OT environments. Valkyrie and the Cygnet Flyaway Kit offer near real-time forensic-level insight across all assets. Quickly trace what happened, when, how, and what else was affected. Spot risky software, privilege abuse, and gaps before attackers exploit them. Less noise, more accuracy, faster decisions, no wasted time. One platform built for how real-world OT teams work. Flexible, scalable, and fast. You're not fully protected until you see it all. Book your demo at insanecyber.com.